Good morning, students. Today we will do the worksheet of Unit 2. Here is first question in front of you. Find the sum. A part 18,777 plus 39,316 plus 10,018 you have to add. How can you do it? Firstly, mark the places 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then write the digits. Start writing from the very right side. Ones place firstly 7, tens place 7, 100 place 7, 1000 place 8, 10,000 place 1. Now under this 6, 1, 3, 9, 3, 8, 1, 0, 0 and 10,000 place 1, and now we have to add it. Now we have to find its sum. I have told you earlier also, the answer of addition sum is called sum. Firstly, we will start adding ones place digit. So what are ones place digit here? 7, 6 and 8. When we add it, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 8, 21. 21 means here ones are 1 and tens are 2. So at ones place we will write 1 and tens place we will carry 2, because 21 is made up of 2 tens plus 1 ones. Now we will add our tens place digit. Firstly, we will add with the carry 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Here tens are 1 and hundreds are again 1. 11 10 means 100 and 1 tens. So tens place we will write 1 and this 100 place we will carry 1. And now we will add 100 place digit. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 3 11. In this 11, this one is 100 and this is 1000, because it is 1100. 1100 means 1000 plus 100. So 100 place we will write 1 and this 1000 place we will carry this 1. Now we will add 1000 place digit. 1 and 8 9, 9 plus 9 18. So it is 18,000. What we have added here? 18,000. So thousands are 8. What is the meaning of 18,000? 8,000 plus 10,000. So 10,000s are here 1. So at 1000 place we will write 8 and this one will be carried at 10,000 because it is 10,000 value. Now we will add it 1 and 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6. What is our answer here? 68,111. In the same way you can do B, C and D part. These part you will do your on and on. Now question 2, fill in the blanks. First question in front of you, 31,949 plus dash is equal to 31,949. What you understand from this question? It means what you will add in the given number, that the answer will remain, the sum will remain same. So here we have to apply addition property. How the sum will remain same? In 5 what we add, that it will remain 5, it means we will add here 0. The same way if we add in the given number 0, the sum will remain same. So its answer is 0. B part, dash plus 0 is equal to this number. It means what we have added in 0, हमने 0 में क्या number add किया होगा? that answer will this. When the answer will remain same, when we added 0 to that number, it means the given number is same. Means here this is blank 0, 76,740. It means if we will write this same number and when we add 0 in this, then only it will remain same. So the same number we will write here. Now third is 191 plus 347 plus 963 is equal to dash plus 191 plus 963. Here we will apply second property of addition, which shows that 191 plus 347 plus 963, this is equal to dash plus 191 plus 963. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. And how the both sum will remain same. अगर हम इन तीनों को add करें and if we add this one, how the sum will be equal. So firstly we will compare the digit 191 in the left hand side, right hand side also same. 963, right hand side also 963. So what is missing here? 347. If we write 347 here, then the both side sum will be same. Right hand side is equal to left hand side. Clear? So what is the answer here? 347. So what we write here? Now D part, the number which are being added are called. When we add any number to the given number, I told you that is called addend. ADDENDS. It means 5 is a given number. If I add 4 in this, then this 4 is called addend. And we got the answer as a 9. This is called sum. And this is given number. Clear? The greatest 6-digit number plus 1 is equal to dash. For this, first of all, you should know what is the greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number is 6 times 9. And how can you read it? 9,99,999. And if we add 1 in this, we will get 10. Mark the period. We will get 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Smallest number. The 7-digit smallest number is 10 lakh. So what is our answer here? 10 lakh. Clear? Next question, question 3 in front of you. Fill in the missing number. Here sum is given, but some blanks are, there are some blanks also. We have to fill it. So how we can fill? First of all, we will add the ones place digit. The given digits are 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 6, 26. But here is only 8. Is it possible here is 8? No. It should be greater than 26. So it will be 28. So in this 28, we will subtract this given sum of these given numbers. When we subtract it, we got the answer 2. So what we will write in the blank? 2. Clear? Now we will add next digit. So we have written here 2 and the sum was, we found that it is not 8, it was 28. 8 was written here and 2 was carry. Now we will write this digit. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 4, it is 25. But here is written 4 only. Is it 4? No, it is more than 25. So more than 25, how is it is possible? Then it will be 34, because 24 is lesser than this. पर ये इससे बड़ा होना चाहिए. गिवन सम अगर 25 है तो ये क्या डिजिट होगी? 34. 34 से we will subtract this 25 जो अभी हमने ऐड किया है. So what is the difference here? 9. 14 minus 5, 9. So what will come in this blank? Here comes 9. And as it was 34, so 3 was carried. I will explain you on the separate page. See, firstly we will add all the ones place digit. 8, blank, 5, 7, 6. When we added it, and this was sum was given here. 8 plus 5, 13, plus 7, 20, 20 plus 6, 26. It should be greater than 26, so we assume that it was 28. 28 minus this 26, our answer is 2. So what we have written in this blank area? 2. Next, now tens place digits are 4, 7, blank, 8, 4, and here is given some 4. And what we have carried, there was written 8, so it means 2 was carried from there. So now we will add it. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21 plus 4, 25. But here is written 4. Is it 4? No. Is it 24? No. यहाँ 25 है तो इससे greater होना चाहिए because one blank is also left. So it is 34. Now this sum is 25. We have subtracted from 34. 14 minus 5, 9. So what comes in the blank? 9. Clear? And as it was 34, so 3 will be carried to 100 place. Now we will do addition of 100 place digit. 3 was carry. The next digits were 9, 3, 6, 7 and 2. And here sum is given 0. So 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 2, 30. So what should be here? Here also it was 30. So 30 minus 30, 0. Okay. So 3 will be carried to the 1000 place. Clear? Here no blank, so no need to write anything, but हमने add किया and we got the answer 30 here, 0 is here, and 3 will be carried to 1000 place. Now next, now we will add 1000 place. We brought 3 as a carry, and 1000 place digits are 1, 6, 4, blank, 9, and here is 6. Now add it. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 9, 23. But here is 6. Is it 6? No. It is more than 23. So it will be 26. Now this sum was 23. We have subtracted from this. What we got? Blank में क्या आना चाहिए? 3. Now you can check your answer. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 23. 23 plus 6, 26. 6 we will write here, and this 2 will be carried to 10,000 place. Okay. Now we will add 10,000 place. As you know that 2 we have brought as a carry and digits are 3 blank and here is 0. 3 plus 2 5, but here is 0. Is it possible? No. It should be greater than 5, so it is 10. 10 minus this 5, so blank area, what is the answer? 5 here. And this one will be carried to leg place. We will not write here because at one place we will write only one digit. Now as you know 10 place, 1 leg place you brought 1 as a carry. Nothing is here. Here is written 1. Yeah, now it is okay. So in this way you can do this sum. So first blank, now we can write, fill our blanks again. Here comes 2, here it was 9, 2 was carry here, here 3 was carry, and here again 3 carry, and in this blank area it comes 3, here it is 5, 2 was carry, it become 10, and 1 was carry and 1 here. Clear student? In this way you can do B part also. Now question number 4. These are problem sum, statement sum. In a school library, 2,72,100 books are there. On student request, 9,800 more books were bought. How many books are there in all? What you understand from here? A school library, it visualize in your mind. And you can see the books. There are books 2,72,100. Students requested. How many more books were purchased? 9,800 more. How many books are there in all? Now there are more than 2,72,000 books now. So what you will do here? We will add the purchased books also, new books also. So how will you do? Firstly you will write the statement. Books in the library you will write here 2,72,100. More books purchased, you will write and start writing from the right side. These are 9,800. So 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100 place 8, 1000 place 9. 9,800. Then you will add it and you will write the statement here. Total books are there is equal to 0, 0, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 will be carry, 8, 2,81,000. Then you will write here your answer. Total books in the library are 2,81,900. Here I am not having so much space, that's why I have not written the statement. But when you will do the sum, you will write the statement here. First statement, total books in the library is equal to this. Books purchased is equal to this, and here you will write total books in the library. Same way, question 5. In a district, 1,88,296 were spent for digging the tube well and 2,75,000 were spent on a medical help for the rural population. Find the total amount spent. Now what comes in your mind? A district like your district. In that district, some people or maybe government had spent 1,88,296 rupees for digging the tube well to bring out the water for the rural population, the people who are living in rural area. They want to install the tube well there. And 2,75,000 were spent on the medical help of those people. Rural people की help के लिए they have spent 2,75,000. Total amount they have spent, this we have to find out. So firstly we will write the statement. Money spent for digging the tube well is equal to 1,88,296 rupees. Then money spent for medical help 2,75,000 rupees. Third statement you will write total money spent. Means some money given for the digging of well. Then more money for the medical help. Then you have to find out total money spent. So this is the sum of addition. You will add and find out your answer. 2,75,000 rupees. Then you will add 1,88,000 rupees. You got the answer. 0 plus 0, 13. 1 will be carry. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16. 1 will be carried. 2 plus 1 and 1, 4. So how much total money spent? You can write the answer. Total money spent is rupees 2,81,900, and write the statement also in a proper way. Here I am not having sufficient space, that's why I have not written the statement, but in your notebook you will write. Thank you children.